This is an important feature that some people don't even know exists in Asana. I knew I needed to show you this so that you can work more effectively with your team in Asana with this feature. If you know you're going to be out of office for any length of time for a vacation or just a day off, you can mark yourself as out of office in Asana so that your team members know when you'll be away. It's really handy to set this in advance because it will actually show you as away if someone tries to assign you a task for a day when you will be out of office. How cool is that? Okay, I'll show you how to set it up and then I will show you what I mean and how you can see that someone will be out of office when you try to assign them a task. But really quick, before we hop into the tutorial, let me know in the comments if you knew about this feature before this video. Okay, let's get into the tutorial. All right, so from your Asana account, you can do this in a couple different ways. As with everything in Asana, you can click up here where it's your image or your name, your initials, whatever is showing up there for you. And then you can either click profile or settings. So profile, I'll just show you really quick, will take you here. And then you will need to go into edit profile from there. Whereas if you click here, you can just go straight into settings. So obviously this way is quicker, and then it'll just bring this window up for you. Then in this first tab called profile, at the bottom here, you'll see this set out of office option that you can toggle on, and then you will scroll down and you can choose the first day that you are away. So we'll say that you're away from the 26th until the 30th. And then you can choose whether you want to send push notifications while you're away or not. And then you just X out of here and it will save that for you. And then your team members will see you as away if they try to assign you as a task. It'll show just like this preview down here. It'll say Samantha Casbrick is away through Tuesday. All right, if you're wondering what other features in Asana you might be missing that can help you save time, watch this video next to learn about the 3 that you should be using. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope this video was helpful for you. I will see you next week. Bye.